I've tested more than 100 AI tools in the last year alone, wasted money on some, while a few are worth testing out. In this video, I want to introduce you to my favorite AI tools that I use day in and day out as a dropshipper. And these are the top 5 that would make your Shopify store explode in 2026. And right now, I'm going to show you exactly what each tool does. And more importantly, here are the tools.
Before we get into it, the reason most dropshippers lose money isn't bad luck. It's either wasting cash on random spy tools without a real process, or skipping research entirely and hoping a product just works overnight. It doesn't work that way. Validating a product before you spend $1 on ads is a must. Personally, I use ToolSuite to find all my winning products instead of paying for every one of these tools separately. One dashboard, all 8 tools, for $29.95 a month. Links in the description. Let's break down each one. Number 1. PIPIADS. On its own, this runs about $39 a month for the basic plan. Here's how I actually use it. When I find a product through organic TikTok research, I pull the store's landing page link from that video straight into PIPIADS, and it tells me if that product is actually making sales, not just getting views. I also use it for direct store tracking. If I spot a store showing strong traffic, say a store based somewhere like Bare Minerals, I drop that store's URL into PIPIADS and get real-time tracking on their actual sales. Traffic alone doesn't mean money's coming in. And this is how I decide if a store or niche is actually worth scaling into. Number 2. ADSPY. This one's pricier standalone, around $149 a month for full access to their ad database. I run it right alongside PIPIADS in that same validation process, checking what ads are actually driving traffic to a product before I commit to testing it myself. At $149 a month by itself, this is exactly the kind of tool most dropshippers can't justify paying for individually. Number 3. ADSPY. Standalone pricing sits around $60 to $80 a month depending on the plan. This is specifically for native ads. If I want to run native, this is the tool I go to, because it's built for exactly that placement type, not for TikTok or Meta. Number 4. ChatGPT Plus. About $20 a month on its own. This is my daily driver for content, whether that's product descriptions, ad angles, or just working through ideas fast when I don't have time to overthink it. Number 5. SuperGrok. Runs $30 a month standalone. I use this to generate video content and other assets tied directly to my dropshipping business, especially when I want a different angle than what ChatGPT gives me. Number 6. CapCut. Their Pro plan runs about $20 a month by itself now. Instead of paying for expensive standalone video editing software, any video I generate gets switched up and polished inside CapCut. It's fast, and it's already included in the same dashboard I'm paying $29.95 a month for total. Number 7. Canva Pro. Around $13 a month standalone. I use this specifically to generate images for Pinterest when I want more traffic from that platform. I'm actually testing something new right now. Canva's MCP connected to ChatGPT, so I can schedule posts automatically every single day. My traffic's been climbing back to back since I started doing that. Number 8. PIPIADS. Their basic plan runs about $49 a month on its own. This is my other ADSPY tool, separate from ADSPY, giving me a second angle on what's actually working in ads right now. Now here's the math that actually matters. Add up what I just walked you through separately: PIPIADS, ADSPY, ADSTREX, ChatGPT Plus, SuperGrok, CapCut, Canva Pro, and PIPIADS, and you're looking at close to $390 a month if you bought every single one on its own. I access all 8, plus dozens more, through ToolSuite for $29.95 a month total. Here's the bigger picture. This stack of 8 tools is basically like having a full team working inside your dropshipping business, except it's all inside one single dashboard. If one tool isn't giving you results, you just switch to a different one. No extra money out of pocket. If you're not using something like this, you are genuinely leaving hundreds of dollars a month on the table. I access all 8 of these, plus dozens more, through ToolSuite for $29.95 a month instead of nearly $390 paying for each one separately. The link is in the description below. Go check it out and start building your own tested tool stack today.